Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today, if you see, markets opened with a gap down, taking exactly resistance from the zone that I said yesterday. This zone will be very important for Bank Nifty as a support. Bank Nifty opened at that zone and then broke that, and then it became a resistance. If you see the high of the candle, also exactly at the top of this zone, right? And so, as I said, this zone will be very important. Now, Bank Nifty has closed below this zone. That means chances are this is a breakout failure. How will we know this is a breakout failure? Very simple. Tomorrow, the market should not close above this zone, and that will confirm that this is a breakout failure for sure. Even right now, it looks like a breakout failure. I think it is this confirmation is more than enough because of the way the markets have closed. The markets have not closed in a sort of a way which is very, sort of dicey. Markets have definitely closed bearish at the day's low. So it looks like the market is headed for a downtrend now. And so at any rise, until unless we break 22,500 in Nifty and 48,000, basically this zone in Bank Nifty, we will think about taking selling on basically 48,400 in Bank Nifty, not 48,250. But yes, until unless we break the zone, we will think about selling on every rise, because now the market is looking like it is becoming bearish, right? We also, if you see the option chain and all that stuff, people from OTM puts in the monthly expiry are also starting to cover their short positions. That means things are looking very bearish, and so on every rise we will now think about taking a bearish position. So what can we do for tomorrow? Very simple. Tomorrow two things can happen. If we open with a gap up, then it will not mean that we are bullish from here onwards also, and then we will move up, right? What we need, the confirmation that we need for Bank Nifty is above, first of all, closing above 48,300. If we get a closing above 48,300, basically above today's high, then chances are that this could just be a pullback and we could continue this up move from here, right? So again, 48,300 for Bank Nifty, for Nifty, as I said, for 22,520 to 500, right? Above this level, once we get a closing, then we can say that yes, Nifty has also reversed, and then we can think about taking a bullish trade from here. So basically, if today's fall is completely reversed, then we can say that the markets can continue the move, but until then we will think about selling at higher levels, right? If we get a selling opportunity at higher levels, we'll think about selling at higher levels, right? Now tomorrow, let's say if you open the gap up somewhere near, let's say 100 points, right? Somewhere near 22,350, 370, 380, all these levels, we'll do nothing, right? Because this area will be a very volatile area, right? What you can do, however, which could be a little bit different, if you want to sell at higher levels, is about 22,400, or let's say about today's high, right? Let's take today's high for safety. If the market goes above today's high tomorrow, and then from there the market cannot sustain above that level, right? Market is going about today's high and then it starts to make negative price action, then you can think about taking a short trade at higher levels. But please make sure this will not give you very good profits in intraday. This will give you profits on a positional basis, because now the market looks like it can easily go down till 21,800 levels also, and there is not really any sort of support for the market except for 22,000, right? So if you want to take this short trade, you can think about taking this short trade in Nifty if Nifty goes above this high. Or another thing that can happen is that Nifty takes resistance from this trend line, right? There Nifty was going on in this channel, and now Nifty has broken below it, right? So if Nifty comes near this channel and you're also seeing that Nifty has started to make negative price action, or as I said, if Nifty goes above today's high and then starts to make negative price action, at these levels you can think about taking a short trade from here, but on a positional basis, right? And then we can aim for 22,000 and 21,800 very easily at lower levels. If we open with a little bit of gap up, that will be the best for intraday, because then below 22,560, sorry, 22,260 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short trade, very simple short trade till 22,160 on the downside, right? You can book some profits at 22,200 and then let the rest go till 22,160, 150, right? Because then we can expect the market to move down a little more, because again, if the selling has to happen, it will happen very fast, and you will again see very good momentum at lower levels, or again see a very good momentum coming in the market tomorrow also. So tomorrow, if you open flat or with a small gap up, that is fine. if we open with a small gap down, let's say somewhere near 22,240, 230, 220, all these levels, then best will be to wait for a pullback till 22,280 to 260 levels. In this area, once you see that market is taking good rejection, right, maybe making a very negative candle in the 15-minute chart, then you can think about taking a short trade from here, or you can also wait for a negative price action to be made over here in this area and then again take a short position for the same targets that I said just previously, right? So I hope that is very clear for you, Nifty. Now talking about Bank Nifty is much more negative, right? Bank Nifty closed well below the low that it made in the morning, right? And I also tried to take a short position over here when I saw this candle over here, but my stop loss did get hit. I think I took a stop loss. Overall, I took a stop loss of around 1.3% for the day, and it wasn't really a great day, right? Because I was thinking about shorting the 47,500 call option of the next expiry in Bank Nifty, right? Because again, Bank Nifty has expiry tomorrow. I think it is better to short next expiry's call option, which will give me a little bit more premium and more profit and better risk to reward also. So yes, I was thinking about taking a short position, but then I could not, and then I decided, you know what, most probably market will stay in this range. But in the end, market did break down, because I was thinking that market will stay in this range after seeing this up move over here, but market decided that no, I will close at lower levels. So again, can't really do anything. Now this trend is gone. Now if we get a rise, then we can think about selling, or we will see what you can do tomorrow, right? What can happen? Because yes, there is still a lot of space left in Bank Nifty till for it to go at lower levels. So yes, not the whole trend is gone. So I will think about taking a short position tomorrow or something else, right? We'll see about that tomorrow, and I'll update you guys in tomorrow's video. If we open the gap up in Bank Nifty, somewhere near 48,000, all these levels, this zone will again be very important, right? If we are saying that Bank Nifty is taking resistance from 48,100 to 48,000 zone, over here, if Bank Nifty comes and starts making negative price action in 15 minutes, and you guys can then go ahead and take a short position over here. But again, that will be for positional basis. It will not show you very good profits, because then market will be already up a lot, and so market may not close at lower levels, or may not close below this low, and so that will be, if you want to make it make your position for a positional basis, because it will give you some profit, but it won't be very good profit for intraday. If we open flat, just a little bit flat, and then start crossing 47,730, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position again till 47,650 first of all, which will be a very small target. But then we can also easily expect 47,500 on the downside for Bank Nifty to come. I think over here also we will not see very good buying coming in Bank Nifty. Maybe Bank Nifty might take a little bit of support, consolidate over here, but after that I think we will still continue to see a little bit more sell off. So yes, if you want to hold your position till 47,500 and then book some profit, that is also very much fine, right? If we open with a gap down somewhere near 47,600, 550, all these levels, then we'll wait for a little bit of pullback, and as soon as we see that market is becoming a little bit weak and has started to make negative price action, or if the market fills this gap and then it is starting to move down, then we will go ahead and take a short position again in Bank Nifty, and then same targets 47,500, and then also lower levels if you want to hold your position for longer, right? So yeah guys, market has started to become negative. Only thing, if the market has again wants to become positive, as I said, 48,300 in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty 22,500, these two levels the market will need to cross. Until then, it's best to sell at every rise, right? That should be our view, because now the market, it looks like there is real selling that is coming into the market, right? Even after opening with a gap down, the market is showing selling. That means now there could be very good panic that is building up in the market, right? So again, if anything changes, I will upload my video almost every day, and so you guys will get to know that. And yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.